Hello dear friends! In this video I show a simple and natural way to reduce tooth pain. What you need is clove. Please pay attention. This method doesn't treat the dental problem. It only helps to numb the pain. You should visit a dentist as soon as possible. Clove is one of the oldest herbal remedies. Its main active compound is eugenol, which has pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce toothache. It also reduces inflammation of the gums and surrounding tissues, which helps ease the pain. In addition, clove has antimicrobial properties and can help reduce the growth of bacteria in the mouth that cause tooth decay and infections. To use clove, grind a small amount of it into powder. Now wet your finger with a little water, dip it into the clove powder, and gently rub it on the gum of the painful tooth. After about 5 minutes, you will feel a numbing effect.